now we are going to start our lesson. See, last time we started one topic, adjustment entries, isn't it? Now see, the first adjustment which we have discussed is this one. What is there on the screen? Now see, this is one adjustment, outstanding expenses. Okay. So first we will discuss what do we actually mean by outstanding expenses. Then we will discuss on the adjustment entries, that what adjustment entry we are to pass for outstanding expenses. Got it? So we will discuss meaning, then adjustment entry, and the effect of that adjustment entry on our financial statements. So see, the first adjustment is outstanding expenses. Okay. Now see, what do we actually mean by outstanding expenses? Expenses which belong to the current year, which are related to the current year. Okay, but not paid till the end of the current year. Suppose our current year is 2012. Its beginning date is January 1st and the last date 31st December. Okay, so this is our current year. So any expenses which is related to this current year, which is related to this year, but not paid till the last date of the accounting year. This is the last day of the current year, isn't it? 31st December. So any expenses which is related to the current year but not paid till the last date of the accounting year. Then unpaid expenses is known as what? Outstanding expenses, isn't it? So what do we actually mean by outstanding expenses? Those expenses which are related to the current year but not paid, but still pending till the last date of the accounting year. So such unpaid expenses are known as what? Outstanding expenses. Now see, what adjustment entry we will pass for that outstanding expenses. So this is the adjustment entry, isn't it? So see, one example I am taking. Suppose this is our trial balance. This trial balance is given in the question, and as per this trial balance, suppose salary is there. In this trial balance, salary is given. How much salary is given? Suppose 11,000. Okay, and below this trial balance, what is written? That salary paid is only for 11 months. This is the other information actually. So salary as per trial balance is how much? Salary as per trial balance is only 11,000. This is given in the trial balance, 11,000. Okay, and what is the additional information? That this is the salary paid, and this belongs to only 11 months. Okay, so what is the per month salary? 11,000 I paid for 11 months. So per month salary is how much? 1,000. No? Then salary for the whole year. So I know that during the year there are 12 months. So 12 multiplied by 1,000. So salary for the whole year will be what? 12,000. Isn't it? So this is the salary paid and this is the total salary. So tell me, what is the outstanding salary? Yeah, this is the salary which we have to pay during the whole year. Because per month salary is 1,000, it means during the whole year we have to pay 12,000. But as per trial balance is showing what? That we paid only 11,000. Out of 12,000 we paid 11,000. It means 1,000 is still outstanding. Okay, na? So this 1,000 is called what? Outstanding expenses, outstanding salary. Okay. Now see, we need to record this 1,000 in the books of accounts. Get my point? And for that we need to pass adjustment entry. Now see, what adjustment entry I will pass. Now tell me, I need to bring this 1,000 or I need to remove this 1,000 from the records. 11,000 already there in the records. So, but this 1,000 is still not recorded. Why? Because still this 1,000 is not paid. So that's why it is not recorded. So now we need to record this 1,000, and this is outstanding salary. And this adjustment entry we will pass for this. So this 1,000 is, tell me, item of expense or income? Yeah, this 1,000 is relating. This 1,000 is salary. So salary is expense. So whenever we need to bring any expense in the books, we will debit the expense. So see what entry I will pass. I will pass salary account. This is the common entry actually. Getting my point? In place of, if suppose salary is there, then I will write in place of expense salary. salary account debit and outstanding salary. If suppose wage is there, wages, then I will write wages account debit and outstanding wages account credit. Getting my point? So this is the common entry. You can write anything in place of expense. You can write salary also, you can write wages also, you can write advertisement also. So see, what is the adjustment entry? Expense account should be debited, so I am debiting salary account. So salary account debit 1000, and outstanding expense I have to credit. So outstanding, I will not write expense because I know the name of the expense now. So outstanding salary account 1000. This is the adjustment entry according to this. So it means, what is the conclusion? That outstanding expenses we need to bring in the books of accounts. Got it or not? Outstanding expenses related to the current year, they are related to the current year, but still not recorded. Why? Because they are not paid still. So we need to bring, actually, because in income statement we have to show, when we will prepare the income statement, in that income statement we have to show the whole year's expense. We can't show that okay, this much we paid, so this much we will show. Whatever salary related to the whole year, that salary we have to show, whether it is paid or not, isn't it? So this is 11 months salary, but in income statement we have to show whole year's salary, 12 months salary, isn't it? So that's why we need to bring the last month's salary also, that outstanding one. This is the last month's salary in outstanding, and now with the help of this entry, now this 1000 is also in the records. Okay, now see the effect. What is the effect? First effect, the first effect is what? Add outstanding expenses to the related item of expense in the income statement. So see what I will do now in the income statement. See, this is our income statement. Okay, so see what I will do. See the impact. First I will show salary as per trial balance. So tell me, salary as per trial balance is how much? 11,000. So this first I will show this. And salary we know that we show salary in the expense, in the profit and loss account, in the in this category expense. So salary first I will show as per trial balance how much? 11,000. Okay, now see what is the first effect. We passed this adjustment entry now. This is the adjustment entry, and see the effect. What is the first effect? Add outstanding expense to the related item of expense in the income statement. So this is the income statement and this is the related expense, and to this related expense I will add the outstanding expenses, and in this manner I got whole year's salary 12,000, and I will write here add outstanding salary. So understood the first effect? This is the first effect. Okay, now see the second effect is which one? Show outstanding expense as a current liability in the balance sheet. Okay, so see in the balance sheet, after doing this, see in the balance sheet what I will do. I will show the outstanding expense in the balance sheet under head current liability. Now see, this is our current liability now. So here I will show outstanding salary, and the amount I will show 1000. Got it? So understood the effect of adjustment entry. This is the adjustment entry, and the effect is this one. First effect is this one. Add outstanding salary to the related item of expense, so that we could show whole year's salary in the income statement, isn't it? And the second effect is what? That this 1000 is still our liability now, because this 1000 is still not paid. This is still our liability, so that's why we have to show this liability in the balance sheet. In the balance sheet under head current liability I will show this outstanding salary 1000. Got it? And see why I added this 1000 here, that I explained you in the previous class. See, salary is in which column? Tell me. In the trial balance, salary is in which column? This is debit column and this is credit column, isn't it? This is debit column and this is credit column. So this 11,000 is in which column? Debit column. And this salary is also debited now. So debit 11,000 and debit 1,000. So debit same direction. So whenever there is same direction, we used to add. Getting my point? That I explained you na in the previous class. So salary is in the debit column in the trial balance, and here in the entry salary is also again debited with 1000. So debit 11,000 and debit 1000. So debit same direction. So that's why we have to add here. We have to 11 plus 1000, so 12,000 we have to show. Okay, So this is the one adjustment. Understood or not? Outstanding expense. See, the conclusion is what? In income statement, in income statement we are to show 12 months figure. This is the conclusion, whether it is paid or not paid. So salary for the whole year is 12,000. So 12,000 we have to show, isn't it? Even though we paid only 11,000. So income statement doesn't consider how much paid or how much not paid. Income statement is saying that show whole year's figure, whether it is paid by you or whether it is still not paid by you. Okay. So understood the first adjustment.